How to adjust screen timeout on Windows 11. Managing your screen timeout settings in Windows 11 is an essential aspect of customizing your computing experience. Whether you want to conserve energy, enhance privacy, or simply tailor your device's behavior to your preferences, adjusting the screen timeout can make a noticeable difference. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to adjust the screen timeout on Windows 11, allowing you to strike the perfect balance between convenience and energy efficiency. To get started, click on the Windows icon in the taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. From the Start menu, click on the gear-shaped settings icon. This will open the Windows settings. You can also use the shortcut Windows key plus I to open settings. In System, select Power and Battery from the list of options. Under the Power section, expand Screen and Sleep by clicking on it. On Battery Power Turn Off My Screen After lets you set how long your screen stays on when your computer is running on battery power. When plugged in, Turn Off My Screen After allows you to set how long your screen stays on when your computer is connected to a power source. Choose the desired time duration from the drop-down menus. You can also select Never if you want the screen to never turn off automatically. Additionally, if you'd like to adjust the computer's sleep settings, you can do so in the next two options just below the screen timeout settings. That's it! You've successfully adjusted the screen timeout settings in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.